Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Periscope data enhances the security of your account by requiring an additional verification step. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Periscope data account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Find the security section. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including MFA settings. Step 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Set up your MFA method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the MFA code, such as an authentication app or SMS. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, which may include scanning a QR code or entering a verification code sent to your phone. After completing these steps, your Periscope data account will be more secure with multi-factor authentication enabled. Regularly review your security settings to ensure your account remains protected.